And this is Saigon, guys. I'm gonna show you. This is real Saigon. People driving and driving everywhere around. It's going to be busy. It's already after 7 p.m. And this is a little bit of the situation on the junction. Good morning. It's time to say goodbye, Singapore. Thank you so much for having me here. Time to go to different country in Southeast Asia. So today will be travel vlog and tomorrow will be the brand new adventure. I hope so you will enjoy and stay with me, guys. Alright guys, just arrived to the airport. The check-in is somewhere there. Today I'm flying Vietnam Airlines. Not Vietjet, but Vietnam Airlines. Never flew them, never been in Vietnam though, so I will check in. Of course I cannot film there inside, and I will see you on the other side of the airport. Alright, this is it. This is the airport in Singapore, and I can say straightforward, this is definitely much busier than the airport in Bali, like not so long ago. Everything is open and it's actually quite many people traveling around, and all the shops are open, at least on the Terminal 3. Little bit of the point of view of the Terminal 3 already. How does it look like? Everything is busy. By the way, TWG, this is Singaporean tea. Great thing for having a merchandise from Singapore in case if you are still looking for last minute merch. And yeah, maybe it's not really busy, but I don't remember crowds in this terminal anyways because it's so huge. But everything is open. I'm looking for coffee somewhere now. There is also transit hotel in this terminal in the airport, and the train to Terminal 1, so you can travel across without leaving the transit zone. It's been already a long time ago like this, but now it's the same. You don't even talk with the officer when you are leaving Singapore. Everything is automatic. That's super cool in Singapore actually. They also have a free cinema in this terminal, in this airport in general, and many other attractions. So I have a little bit limited time today to show you around. I just finished what I had to do. By the way, you have so many nice comfy chairs here, if they are empty actually. It's time to having some lunch now. So many nice food options here actually, with also very affordable prices actually for $5 in the airport. It's pretty alright. And I'm gonna go into some noodles here, 5-6 only actually, chicken rice, very nice. What I'm gonna have, not sure, but it's very affordable for Singapore airport. Just got my fish bowl noodles with soup, drink for just $7. I think it's actually really not so bad for the airport in Singapore. In Bali will be more expensive. Donut, coffee and the iced tea for 10. Here's guys, coffee to go. So tiring, little bit late today. Usually I spend like 3-4 hours in the airport, but today a little bit less, but all is good and soon gonna be another adventure. I'm on board and I have to say very nice first impression. So much leg room, even it's Airbus 321A, I think, A321 Neo, something like that. Very nice, quite a lot of space and very comfortable seats. First time fly, but first impressions very nice, and it's quite busy. Quite many people flying to Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam.
Oh, here's a little story for you. Let's sit right down and talk it through. You found a little love and give it back again. Is it supposed to be this hard?
Also serve the food like a light lunch right now in the board here, so it's very nice surprise, especially in the current situation. They doing the food and it's complimentary. Very nice, Vietnam Airlines. I will show you the food. This is what I got: chicken noodles, banana, little bread and butter. Simple but very nice. And there are also the drinks coming over there, so just waiting for that.
Have you visited already?
Alright, just arrived to Vietnam. And here we go, just arrived. Why my screen is so dark? Maybe facing that way is much better, right? Not so busy, not so quiet. I ordered Grab for 100,000 local currency, Vietnamese dong. I paid $20 for Singaporean dollar for the SIM card, just because I need to internet to having very quickly. However, you can have it half price. I think so, approximately half price. Yeah, for $10. So, well, taxi in the airport they charge you 250,000. but Grab it's okay, easy to get, and it's 200 only. I also heard as one of these buses over there, if you go to District 1 in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh, it's cost you like 30 cents American only, but I'm not sure, I will try next time. Alright, just arrived to Vietnam, to Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. It's gonna be very interesting. That will be the huge contrast between Singapore and Vietnam, obviously. So, and Bali is something between. I stay in the very nice hotel around. There's the lady selling the cigarettes on the street. That's also very interesting. In very nice hotel, windsuits for 2 nights, and then I'm gonna move somewhere else in Vietnam. Meanwhile, enjoy the traffic, and I'm gonna find a place where I can try the Vietnamese coffee and maybe some light lunch. It's the 5 p.m. Seems the traffic is getting better and better. There's like a huge construction site. A lot of people honking, but well, this is Saigon. And in case if you ask how much I paid for this room, I paid 1,650,000 Vietnamese dongs. It is about $35 per night or something like that. I'll put on the screen. It's on the main street. Little bit loud, but my room is on the other side with no view. Unfortunately, anyways, on the other side is the huge construction site. Anyway, I'm gonna, well, always remember safety first. Wear helmet. Oh, here is more action now. We are heading here. So that will be very interesting. There's definitely much more motorbikes than in Bali. Oh, that's for sure. So you have a more perspective of view. How does it look like when you are driving in Saigon City? Ho Chi Minh City, actually. They changed the name some time ago. My driver is getting confused. Maybe he stresses I'm filming. Ooh. Now I'm just looking for Vietnamese coffee. There are so many bars here. This is like equivalent of the Legend Street, but seems like it's gonna be busier. But more on tomorrow's video. Now I'm looking only for the Vietnamese coffee. And this ride cost me like a 5-minute ride for 22,000. Well, I just stopped with in the one of the bars, just having a Strongbow cider. No radler here, however I heard they have a tiger radler, but I couldn't find it. But this one is also nice. It's cost you 32. And I tried some sort of Vietnamese coffee, and I wasn't looking for this one, but this one is also, I read, is some sort of kind. It's alright. First hours in, you know, in Vietnam. This is the lady. This is her menu. By the way, I show you what you can have here and what's the prices. Actually, the Coca-Cola here is more expensive than the beers. By the way, just interesting fact. And yeah, that's how it looks like. There's a guy walking with the fresh guava and mangoes, I guess, and looking for the customers because there are so many tourists actually just arrived. And the place looks like this. I don't know where I am actually, to be honest. People driving and driving everywhere around. It's going to be busy. It's already after 7 p.m. And this is a little bit of the situation on the junction. I thought in Bali is busy, but here the traffic is definitely much more interesting, I think. And I think it's still actually very quiet because, well, it's not that busy. I thought it's more busier, but it's so cool anyway. Alright guys, so that was my trip from Singapore to Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, and I'm gonna stay in Vietnam for maybe 9 days. Tomorrow I have to buy a return ticket and everything, so I will let you know. I'm gonna explore from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, Hoi An and Hanoi, and who knows what else. I don't know what's happened there. Was like an accident, maybe not. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow I'm gonna explore Ho Chi Minh City, city center and around. Let's see how does it look like. And then I hope so you will enjoy my adventure in Vietnam, guys. Never been in Vietnam and I'm so excited about that. I hope so, guys. You're gonna bear with me. See ya. See you tomorrow.